Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. Assembly Video Series. Set the control box on the table next to your Shark HD machine. Place the control box on its side and remove the 3 screws. Pull the film off that side of the control box. Replace the screws. Flip the box and continue to remove the film. Flip the control box again on the opposite side with the screws. Slightly remove the screw. Pull back the film. Tighten the screw. Repeat this process with the remaining 2 screws. Plug in and securely tighten the Z and X cables. Then plug the white cable into the white receptor closest to the X output. Plug in and tighten the Y cable. Plug in the white cable to the white receptor closest to the power switch. Plug in the power cord to the control box. Finally, plug in and tighten the pendant cable to the front of the control box. You are now ready to use your Next Wave CNC Shark HD series machine. To learn more or view other videos, visit us online at nextwavecnc.com or stop by one of the hundreds of Next Wave CNC Sharks official dealers nationwide. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Shark, world class, made in USA.